Eurosafe Global Kitchen Fire Suppression System is a high-quality and efficient fire suppression system designed specifically for commercial kitchens in restaurants, hotels, and other food service establishments. The system is designed to quickly detect and extinguish fires that may start in kitchen cooking equipment. The Eurosafe Global Kitchen Fire Suppression System uses a unique blend of wet and dry chemical agents to quickly extinguish flames. The system is activated automatically when heat sensors detect fire, and it releases chemicals that smother the fire and prevent it from spreading. The system is also designed to be safe and non-toxic to people and food. The Eurosafe Global Kitchen Fire Suppression System is easy to install, and it can be customized to fit the unique needs of each kitchen. It is also easy to maintain and can be serviced by qualified professionals to ensure maximum safety and protection. Overall, the Eurosafe Global Kitchen Fire Suppression System is an essential safety feature for any commercial kitchen. It provides quick and efficient fire suppression, which not only protects people and property, but also ensures that operations can continue as normal after a fire. The Eurosafe Kitchen Suppression System is a crucial safety mechanism designed to respond swiftly and effectively in the event of a fire. At the heart of the system is the use of a distinctive red tube employed as a detection mechanism. This red tube serves as a pivotal component in the early identification of a fire within the kitchen environment. When a fire breaks out, the detection tube is specifically engineered to respond to the elevated temperature caused by the flames. As the temperature surpasses a certain threshold, the detection tube undergoes a controlled combustion process, ultimately burning out. This intentional burning triggers a chain reaction within the system, initiating the release of a wet chemical agent. The wet chemical agent, stored in a pressurized container, is dispensed through strategically placed nozzles in the kitchen area. The deployment of this specialized extinguishing agent is precisely aimed at the source of the fire. The wet chemical agent is formulated to swiftly suppress and smother the flames, curtailing the fire's progress and effectively extinguishing it. This innovative approach not only enables rapid response, but also ensures targeted and efficient fire suppression. The utilization of a detection tube as the trigger mechanism adds an extra layer of reliability to the system, as it responds promptly to the specific conditions indicative of a fire. In essence, the kitchen suppression system, with its red detection tube and wet chemical agent, plays a vital role in safeguarding the kitchen environment by swiftly and decisively combating fires to minimize potential damage and ensure the safety of occupants.